Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2016 Jeep Cherokee Latitude 4-wheel drive, stock number E1538P. Only 24,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, bright white in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And not only low miles, but very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This Latitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjust for the driver's seat, low in the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy-to-read gauges, cruise control, touchscreen display for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, compass display, heating and air conditioning along with heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. Great for those cold winter days. Hard keys below for the things used most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Select terrain 4-wheel drive system, giving you the greatest capability no matter what the surface. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest, with additional storage under the front passenger seat. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Cherokee has a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles to the gallon and the city average of 28 on the highway. And ready to go with new brakes and new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.